like a bird on a tree.
Out of necessity, really. I mean, there's a necessity for me to improve my own acting. So I was working with Katie Mitchell, who was a real kind of Stanislavskian, all about intentions. And at the same time I was working with Simon McBurney, who was all about play and the ensemble. And somehow I needed to bring those two things, those two worlds together. And specifically it was by coming across action quite late in my career, if you like, and mixing action with abstract movement that I'd learned with Lecoq, and most specifically not being satisfied with just doing something, having an action. I wanted my action to be significantly involved in how the other character was going to be, how they were going to change as a result of what I was doing. So I mixed all those things together, and then this technique started to emerge, and certainly served me very well in the business, and now I'm lucky enough to be teaching it to a new generation.
From up here